find the red USB drive in the front pocket of the document folder in your instruments case, plug it into your PC, and look for the software and firmware folder. Once in there should be a Bruker toolbox.exe installer. If it's not there, you might need to unzip it yourself from this file. So run the installer. Take a note of where it installs it. Wonderful, so it installed successfully. So that's installed instrument tools and remote control. But now if we head to the directory where it was installed, which in our case was program files, Bruker Toolbox, there'll be a folder called RNDIS drivers. If you go into there and select which operating system you're on, in our case it's Windows 10, there'll be a setup information file that looks like this. If you right click on that one and hit install, that will make sure the instrument can connect successfully.